Let's drill into the cloning menu for this test master database. You'll see that since we already know this is a test master database, that the options here have changed from what we saw earlier, and now we can create a snapshot clone from the test master database. On the Create Snapshot Clone Pluggable Database page, the preferred credentials are again already set for me. On the destination side of the page, I can provide a meaningful name for the pluggable database and a display name. So let me just change the display name for now. I also need to provide a password for the PDB administrator. Notice here I have the option to clone the pluggable database into a different container database. I'm cloning this pluggable database into the same container database as production, so I'll leave this unchecked. I also need to provide the ASM credentials. The test master and the clone need to be within a single ASM installation, so the ASM cluster has to be the same. The page we're looking at actually has two flavors. One is this simple interface we just looked at. We can click the clone button to clone this environment. We can also click on the advanced button to walk through a more advanced configuration. If we do that, you can see on the second screen that we can change the sparse disk group here. And we also have the ability to change other PDB level options. The good thing about this wizard is from any step, such as where I am now, if you're satisfied with all the inputs, you can immediately click clone rather than stepping through the remaining steps of the wizard. Now I can watch the cloning process. Again, I'll do an expand all on this so we can see all the procedure steps. So what we're doing now is creating a snapshot clone of the test master database, which, as you might recall, is around 560, 570 gigabytes in size. I can just refresh the screen a couple of times here, and you can see the process completes very quickly. In fact, it's only taken about 5 seconds to prepare the SQL for creating the clone, and you can see the SQL here. What we're actually doing is, as you'd expect, creating a pluggable database from the test master. We've specified the sparse disk group, and we've got the snapshot copy option on the command here. The actual execution of the script only takes around 11 seconds.